ZBC manager asking for sex from a co-worker. Wow. This comes after by a lady who was being asked for sex, as you can see in the picture. But I want to play the audio so that you get the context of where this was going. Pardon me to those who do not understand Shona. I'm going to come back and give you my context. But let's listen to this audio first.
We don't separate the two.
Wow, okay.
We are never going to separate the two.
So if I don't do it, I'm going to go home.
You go back to Blawa, not home.
Right.
You go back to Blawa. I'll send you back to Blawa.
So no bedroom, no.
When I
go back to Blawa.
I'll send you back to Blawa. In power and I'll implement it.
No,
the
I
order to see how to
understand.
do it.
Okay, the first point of it, I need to put in the work. I do understand it though.
You want to talk about possibility of bus? Would you find a possibility of bus? Because you want to do what work are you putting in? The whatever work.
Yeah.
Independence to explain. Do this thing start? Timothy was a kita set up with to the other color.
Papa Niskuram.
Panebaseba. And you don't need in ZBC is a typical top management technocrat. You deserves to pay, to get paid. You don't. For crying out loud, you don't deserve pay. I'm there for you, protecting you, for which you're not appreciating. What is silly in the morning.
Because I just wanted to understand it.
So it seems like this gentleman, it doesn't deserve to be called a gentleman. This Robson Mhandu is saying he has been protecting her. So it seems like he had brought her to Harare and then to protect him, and then he will ask for favors. So I don't know if you are in the media industry as a lady. I really want to get your opinion on this. What do you make of how men ask for favors for them to take you up? And have you ever experienced this? And how have you dealt with it? There is a bit of funny giggling that I can hear in this sound. Whether is it a sign of nervousness or what is it? But I would love to. Let's continue, and then I'll give my context.
Is any guarantee
and you are concentrating on the less important issues of the whole issue. Those are the least important issues of the whole issue. The critical issues is what I'm talking about now. And you've not done.
So he's saying that the critical issue is literally having to devour. And let's listen, which is a little bit so gross, the part that he says, you know.
Simple. And you can't bend news. You can't separate the two. Never think about separating the two. And please, I told you, stop thinking. This is a knowledge economy.
Wow.
This is a practice economy.
But
I've shouted about practical realities of life.
Alright. But I can't put in my work.
If you can't take that advice, these lions will maul you.
Okay, let's
I want to.
Alright, let's negotiate then.
I want to maul you. I want to. I'm not mixing my words.
So you want to
Wow.
devour me?
You being you.
Right.
Yeah. You are not anyone ordinary to me.
Is it because I'm a pretty girl?
Yeah,
is that it?
Yeah, no.
What is it then?
It's not because you are pretty.
Sakachina
It's
issue.
because you have become special.
In what sense?
In the way you are behaving. And I want to deal with that.
Special in what way?
In what? In the way you are behaving. Yeah. In the way you are behaving. You.
Well, but now what to negotiate?
Wow. The man is even bragging that this is what we do until God takes us. So this means is this lady, it's not the first time. This lady is not the first person to get this. So it means that all the people that went through him, they are going through the same. The good thing is that there have been action that has been taken by ZBC. However, for a station that is so mediocre in terms of its delivery, looking at how Africa is, there was a debate that was going on Twitter, and people were saying that ZBC, look at their studio, they are using green screen just like me, and they don't even have a teleprompter. The presenters, news anchors, they read on the paper. And you ask yourself, how much does a teleprompter cost for a big station like that? It doesn't even cost, like here, if you go on, you find a teleprompter, a good teleprompter, it's less than $5,000. They can't invest in that, just $5,000 for a national broadcaster. That really boggles my mind to see that this is what we have become as a nation. And it's very, very painful that these young ladies who are having a dream of being in the media one day, they are subjected to this. Anyway, what do you make of this audio? What do you make of the decision by ZBC? And as a lady, do you have your similar stories that you want to share? You can share with us, and we can share to the rest of the world what has happened to you or what is currently happening to you, so that we expose these shenanigans that are taking advantage of young women who want to get into media. See you on the next video. This is me saying bye.